Hi guys, my name is Sakshi Jain and I can't believe I'm finally saying this. But welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't believe this is finally happening क्योंकि कब से मुझे YouTube चालू करना था. It's been such a long time. I am active on every possible platform, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. I make content everywhere. YouTube ही था एक जहाँ पे I actually tried starting काफ़ी बार बट हो नहीं पाया कंसिस्टेंटली बट दिस टाइम आई एम वेरी फोकस्ड. So this is just going to be a introductory video wherein I'm going to be telling about myself and what kind of content you can expect from this page. So yeah, let's get started. So while I tell about myself, I'm also going to be, doing my makeup. I've seen people do this, so why not? No reason as such. So I am 24-year-old right now and I live alone in Mumbai. Now a lot of people say Navi Mumbai doesn't come in Mumbai. Not technically wrong, but yeah, so I live in Navi Mumbai. Alone. I mean family से दूर रहना तो alone ही होता है ना. I do have a flatmate. It's not like मैं पहली बार घर से बाहर आई हूँ. मैं घर से 8 साल से बाहर हूँ. Yes, 8 years. Yeah, first I was in boarding, then I was out for my bachelor's, then master's, and eventually I am in Mumbai now. I have spent good amount of my life in hostels, rented apartments and furnished apartments and everything. But this time I was like, I need a space of my own. I want to create that aesthetic space. So this time I did something really crazy and rented out a 2 BHK unfurnished apartment. Obviously I have a flatmate, but it's crazy that each piece here we got it. Not bought it abhi, but rented it out. I think even that also counts because drop something. Even that also counts because it's from our hard-earned money. But anyways, so that's a bit about me. I create content everywhere and then I own a personal branding agency wherein we help founders and creators build their personal brand. So basically I've been into this content space for a quite long time now and it's kind of fun. So I know a lot of things about content. It's just that I was not executing it. And when I started executing it on Instagram, within like 2 months ka span and posting, I gained around 9,000 followers. So yeah, like I know I can grow, but YouTube ka I have not really worked. Let's see kaise jata hai. Now coming to the part what you all can expect from this channel. So basically, like I said, I've recently shifted to a 2 BHK unfurnished apartment. I have already started this series on my Instagram wherein I am giving snippets of how I'm decorating my house and how I came here and all of those things. So even on YouTube, I will be giving like a larger perspective to it and shooting more vlogs also, random vlogs, cooking vlogs. I will be doing. So I am a remote person. Like I work remotely. So I love staying inside my house. So I need a house which is very aesthetic, which is very warm, which feels like me, right? So yeah, I'm gonna be decorating it quite well. So you can expect content around home decor and a lot of unboxing is going to happen. Kitchen thing, a lot of aesthetic unboxing. So you can definitely, take inspirations and actually follow me for that. Other than that, I think I also have a lot of opinions, which I don't know, I might also, do story time. I have a lot of stories. Like I said, I was in a boarding school. So if you know, you know. So I might share that also. But mostly to random vlogs and unboxing videos. That though definitely you all can expect. I don't know how to explain this, but this feeling is so pure. And I don't know, living alone in an unknown city, earning your own money, making your own food, paying your own bills, and just being happy in your own space. Like, I don't know, but women here will definitely agree. And I am never taking my independence for granted. If you are a girl watching this, girl, you have to work very hard to be independent. Be it anywhere, Mumbai, Delhi, even tier 3 city. Just make sure you have a space of your own, jiska bill you're paying, you're making your own food and you're just doing whatever you want to in your house. Just do whatever it takes, but be a fucking independent girl. Yeah, this is very nice, and I'm super grateful that I have work from home. I have my own agency. Not like I've not worked for it. I have worked my ass off last 4 years to be where I am right now, and I am very grateful and happy to the universe. So I am also into manifestations and all. So I might also share my secrets, but uske liye I need some followers to share it with. So yeah, that's about it. Next episode में I will be just giving you, you know, what all I got from Folenko and मेरा घर कैसे दिखता है and all of those things. उसके बाद we will, you know, come to unboxing things that I order from now on. So yeah, I think that's about it for this video. Obviously, I'm not perfect. This is my first time shooting, you know, talking like this. So I am kind of nervous also, but I am thinking कि कौन ही देखेगा अभी. Like when I'm famous only then you guys are going to watch this video after scrolling कि oh, this was Sakshi's first video. So that would be my success story of YouTube. Lol. I try to be so funny sometimes. But whatever. I think yeah, that's about it. I did not really do my makeup because I was so busy talking. Very clearly, I'm not good at multitasking. I mean, when I'm in my working mode, I am just wow. Like I'm a very good founder, but it's just I don't know what to say. But yeah, thank you for hearing me out. This is just an introductory video. I hope you stay, subscribe, like, and you know, support. Obviously, like obviously it's your job, but whatever. I'll see you in my next video very soon.